I'm on the run with you, my sweet love. There's nothing wrong. Contemplating God under the chemtrails over the country club.
Paano po natin nasabing mahal natin yung isang tao at siya yung ating pakakasalan? Hindi po ba, yun din yung hinahanap natin, yung malinaw. Yung sasabihin ng isang tao, hindi, siya na talaga yung the one. Siya na talaga yung pakakasalan ko.
You should see the way the stars illuminate your stunning silhouette. You're glowing in the dark. I had to count to 10 and take a breath. You think that you don't have beauty in abundance, but you do. And that's the truth. You're frozen in motion, a perfect picture in a frame. Some visions don't ever fade. I don't need a camera to capture this moment. I'll remember how you look tonight for all my life. When everything is black and white, your colors exploding. There's something in the way you shine. I don't need a camera when you're
Kapag mahal natin yung isang tao, handa tayong tumanggap kung anuman yung mabuti, kahit na po yung hindi ganong kabutihan sa kanya. Kapag mahal natin yung isang tao, hindi lamang natin tanggap yung kanyang nakaraan, kundi maging yung kanyang hinaharap. Kapag mahal natin yung isang tao, hindi lamang tayo aalam sa mga nangyari na sa kanya sa buhay, kundi sasamahan pa natin siyang mangarap. Kapag mahal natin yung isang tao, tayo ay kikilala sa kanya ng gusto, at yung pagkilala na yon ay hindi para umalam ng kapintasan na maaaring makapagpabawas ng pagmamahal, kundi yung pagkilala na yon ay higit na magpapalalim doon sa pagmamahal dahil alam natin nagiging totoo siya sa atin.
I don't need a camera when you're in my eyes. And then a flash is gone, but I